Get a better look at my Defender from AEA. There's a few things that I did to make it better. The first thing, as you can see down in there, I put O-rings so when you screw the barrel on, it creates a tight seal. I noticed when firing it that the barrels would unthread and air was escaping. I actually got bit pretty good. The air escaping out the side right here actually split my finger wide open. But that O-ring seems to solve it. I'm assuming it's going to give it more power because there's no air escaping from there anymore, so it's all going down through the barrel. Also, on my barrels, I took some clear tape. This is just temporary until I have my buddy 3D print me a shroud around it. Because if you look, let's see if I can do this. If you look, there's a lot of play in there. And what happens is every shot you take is not going to be center. But with these, very little play. Now obviously the deeper it goes, the the tighter fitted it will be. I love that engraving on it. Came out really cool. My buddy's got a fiber laser. This came out awesome. Also, you can paint the sights. I used some high-vis green, and they came out really good. In stock format, the sights are impossible to pick up. That black on black, you just can't see shit. Had to dub it the Air Glizzy. Trigger pull on it is, well, there's some to be desired. It's a long, crunchy double action, but for what it is, it's pretty sweet. Those pellets, they come out screaming out of this thing. I load mine up to 5,500 psi and the cylinders seem to hold. Another thing I noticed about these air cylinders is you see that seam? Let's see if I can focus. That seam right there. If you get some epoxy and put it down in there, because I'm pretty sure it's either threaded or press fit, I'm not sure. But you put some epoxy down in there and fill that gap a little bit, they don't lose air. That's why I was doing. I was filling them with air and throwing them in a tub with some water and seeing air bubbles come out. So what I did is I degassed them and put some epoxy in there. Now I have no air bubbles for about 20 minutes submerged. So I'm pretty certain that they're holding air now without any escaping. But I definitely recommend either taping or having someone 3D print something to hold those barrels in, so every shot you take is going to be dead nuts. Definitely do the O-rings. I just went down, took one of these down to Home Depot, found some O-rings that fit in there, jammed them in there, and the barrels are a little bit harder to get on, but that don't matter. Not like you can speed load this thing anyway. So O-ring. Either tape or have someone 3D print it. And that's pretty much it. It works really good. It's a fun little gun.